short ceiling? No problem. The Clik Clik system works with any ceiling height. This video shows how to install a sign on a ceiling under 12 feet tall when you'd like your sign to hang close to the ceiling. Start by using the Clik Clik flush mount clips to connect your sign grommets directly to click magnets. Next, twist a sliding MagMover 24-inch Pro onto a one-button pole, and move the heads on the MagMover so they are the same distance apart as the sign grommets. Place the click magnets on the MagMover heads so the rings go around the colored side. Keeping the pole vertical, extend it to the ceiling, allowing both click magnets to attach to metal. Click Click, it's quick! In just seconds, you've installed your item exactly where you needed it. When it's time to change or remove your sign, first confirm the MagMover heads are the same distance apart as the sign grommets. Rotate the corkscrews, extend the pole, fully insert the corkscrews into both click magnet rings, pull, and retract your pole. Then, if desired, open your flush mount clips, change the sign, and you're ready to start again. With the fast, safe, simple, and reusable Clik Clik system, you'll soon make great use of your available ceiling display space.